Hello my subscribers, welcome. In this video we are going to learn about health. Baniriza video yaffe eno tugenda kuyiga ebyobulamu. How can you talk about health? Oyinza kwogera otya ku byobulamu? Of course here we learn English and Luganda with ease. When people olulimi oluzungu n'Oluganda mu bwangu. Benny2178 on TikTok and YouTube. When people olulimi oluzungu n'Oluganda ku TikTok Benny2178, ku YouTube Benny2178. Okay, let's get started. Katutandike. Okay, how can you talk about your health? Oyinza kwogera otya ku byobulamu? Don't forget health in Luganda tugamba ebyobulamu. Are we together? Health, ebyobulamu. Okay, so what is health? If I ask you, what is health? Ebyobulamu chechi. Once again, what is health? Ebyobulamu chechi. So health means being well in your body and your mind. Once again, in your body and mind. Okubeera omulamu mu mubiri ne mu birowoozo. Once again, okubeera mulamu mu mubiri ne mu birowoozo. Are we together? That is what we call health. Health kitegeeza obulamu. So, what is your health? Obulamu bwo buli ki? Are you healthy? Oli mulamu? Okay, let's jump into the sentences. How you can describe your health. Katugende tulabe emboozi osobola okwogera ku byobulamu bwo. Are we together? Yes. And if you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Video eno osanga ya makulu, likinga, sharinga such that many people can benefit. Okay. Sentence number 1, you can say, my health is not good. My health is not good. Once again, my health is not good. In Luganda tugamba obulamu bwange si bulungi. Obulamu bwange si bulungi. Are we together? So my health is not good. You say obulamu bwange si bulungi. You say obulamu bwange because you're talking about yourself. My health, obulamu bwange. Okay? So my health is not good. Obulamu bwange si bulungi. My health is getting better. Once again, my health is getting better. Don't forget to watch up to the end because I'm going to give you a formula which you can use to talk about your health. Towerabira okulaba video eno paka gyekoma kuba ngenda kuwa engeri gy'osobola okwogeramu ng'oyogera ku bulamu bwo. So my health is getting better. Once again, my health is getting better. Obulamu bwange bugenda butereera. Obulamu bwange bugenda butereera. Once again, my health is getting better. You say obulamu bwange bugenda butereera. Are we together? My health is improving. My health is improving. Once again, my health is improving. Obulamu bwange bugenda bulongooka. Are we together? Obulamu bwange bugenda bulongooka. My health is improving. Obulamu bwange bugenda bulongooka. Are we together? The fourth phrase, you can say, I feel sick. I feel sick. Once again, I feel sick. Remember, you're talking about yourself. You, the person who is watching. So you say, I feel sick. Are we together? So you say, I feel sick, and you're going to say, impulira ndi mulwadde. Impulira ndi mulwadde. I feel sick. Impulira ndi mulwadde. Are we together? Good. I feel sick. You're going to say, impulira ndi mulwadde. I am weak. I am weak. For instance, you tell a friend of yours, I am weak. Oh, today, sorry, I am weak. Leero mpulira ndi munafu. So I am weak in Luganda tugamba ndi munafu. Ndi munafu. For example, today I am weak. Leero ndi munafu. So I am weak. Ndi munafu. Are we together? So being weak is gwe oli munafu. Good. I am weak. Ndi munafu. I am strong. I am strong. So strong is the opposite of being weak. So I am strong. I am strong. In Luganda, you're going to say Ndi wamaanyi. Ndi wamaanyi. I am strong. Ndi wamaanyi. Are we together? Good. The next phrase you can say, I am getting better. I am getting better. Once again, I am getting better. In Luganda tugamba ingenda ntereera. For instance, you are recovering from a certain sickness, you say I am getting better. Ingenda ntereera. Are we together? So I am getting better, we say ingenda ntereera. Are we together? Good. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. In Luganda tugamba mpulira ndi munafu. Mpulira ndi munafu. So I feel dizzy. Mpulira ndi munafu. Good. What you have to know is whenever you're talking about your health, you use this formula. Are we together? Obanga oyogera ku bulamu bwo ogenda kukozesa eno formula. Ogenda gamba my health. Once again, you start with my health because you're talking about yourself. So my health is, because you are a single person talking about your health. So you're going to say my health and is. Are we together? So my health is, for instance, if it is good, you say my health is good. If not good, you say my health is not good. Or you can say my health is bad. Are we together? So you say my health is followed by the adjective you want to use. For example, good, bad, or not good. So my health is good. My health is not good. My health is bad. Or some people say my health is worse. Are we together? So in Luganda, you say obulamu bwange. So my health is represented with obulamu bwange. Once again, obulamu bwange. Then you add on obulamu bwange bulungi. My health is good. Obulamu bwange si bulungi. My health is not good. So my health, obulamu bwange nozaako adjective, nozaako ekinyonyola. So my health is good. Obulamu bwange bulungi. Obulamu bwange bubi. Obulamu bwange bugenda bweyongerako obulungi. Are we together? So that is the formula that you can use. Ndowooza olina kyoyizeemu. Hope you've learned something. Don't forget to follow my videos on TikTok and YouTube. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget every Sunday we're going to be holding or having live videos on YouTube and TikTok. Bye bye. Wait a